Let's look at and or in the context of a complex tree diagram. This is where there's more than one action being taken, there's a coin being flipped, and a die being rolled. It wants us to find the probability of heads and 3. So when we look at our sample space, we just want to circle outcomes that meet both criteria. And there's actually going to be just one here. It's a 1 in 12 chance. All right, now what about probability of a heads or a 3? Well, in that case, any H can work. But so can any 3. If we count up the outcomes that are successes here, we'll find a 7 over 12 probability. What would be the probability of getting heads and tails? Well, that still can't happen because you could either take the heads path or the tails path, but not both. So that's a 0 over 12. And then what about heads or tails? Any outcome can work then.